We choose Japan, where there are things that do's and don'ts in their country and in their workplace. And these are the following 5 do's and don'ts. The 5 do's in Japan. First is respect traditions and customs, such as bowing when greeting others. Second is be mindful of person's space and avoid touching others without permissions. Third is follow proper etiquette when dining, including using chopstick correctly and washing hands before and after meal. Fourth is show gratitude by saying thank you and arigato. And lastly, dress modestly, especially when visiting temples or traditional events. And for the don'ts, this is the following don'ts in Japan. First is point with your index finger as it is considered impolite. Second is make direct eye contact with elders as it can be seen as disrespectful. Third is speak loudly in public places or in front of others without permissions. Fourth is use your left hand for giving or receiving items as it is considered unclean. Last, refuse food or gifts offered to you multiple times.